Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix no such interface supported on Windows 11. So let's get started. So if you are facing this kind of problem which says not such interface supported, what you can do is you can easily fix that. So to fix that, what you have to do is just open up your desktop and then type in Windows R key, and by typing in Windows R you will open up your Run tab, and inside your Run tab you have to enter CMD. And by entering CMD you will open up your command prompt, and inside your command prompt you have to enter the code which I'll provide you in my description. So just open up my description and you will find this first code. You just have to copy this code and then paste it in your command prompt. And by pasting this code, if you face this kind of error, what you can do is just use my second code which I'll also provide you in my description. So just copy the second code that I'll provide you in my description and then paste it in your command prompt and then tap on enter. But if you are still facing an error which says is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. So if you are still facing this error, what you can do is just close your CMD, and after closing your CMD just tap on Windows key and then type in command prompt. And after typing in command prompt, now what you can do is just tap on the second option which says run as administrator. So just tap on run as administrator and you will find this pop-up message, and it will ask you if you want to run this app as an administrator. Just tap on yes, and by tapping on yes you will again open up your command prompt, but now as an administrator. And now what you can do is just enter the code that I have provided you in my description. So just enter the first code. After entering that first code, just tap on enter, and here you can see my code has been succeeded. And after succeeding, if you find this kind of message, you might have fixed your problem. But if it still does not fix your problem, what you can do is just use my second code and just enter that second code in your CMD or in your command prompt and then tap on enter. And by tapping on enter you will successfully fix your problem. So I'm not facing any kind of problem in my desktop, but if you are facing some kind of problem, you will not find this message. A program will run in your desktop and you will fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix no such interface supported on Windows 11, and you will find the following codes in my description. You can just copy that. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.